Tired of dropping your phone or struggling to prop it up? Meet the PopSockets phone grip with expanding kickstand in black, your new must-have accessory. Don't miss out. Grab yours today. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
Hey there, PC Gaming Pulse crew. Today we're talking about the essential tools you need to upgrade your PC building game. Now, I know what you're thinking. Do I really need all these gadgets and gizmos? And my answer is absolutely. Having the right tools can make a huge difference in your PC building experience. First up, let's talk about anti-static protection. You might be surprised to learn that even touching carpet can discharge static electricity from your body. But if you're working with sensitive components, it's still better to be safe than sorry. That's why I recommend investing in an anti-static mat or wrist strap. Trust me, it's worth the investment. Now, let's move on to some of my favorite PC building tools. Have you ever struggled to see what you're doing inside a cramped case? That's where headlamps come in. They're like flashlights on steroids. Not only do they provide better light, but they also allow you to work more comfortably for longer periods. But it's not just about the tools themselves, it's about how they can make your job easier. For example, a good pair of cable ties can keep your workspace organized and clutter-free. And let me tell you, there's nothing worse than searching for that one loose cable in the middle of a build. Of course, no PC building toolkit would be complete without some basic cleaning supplies. You've got to keep those components dust-free if you want them to run smoothly. I recommend investing in a microfiber cloth and a can of compressed air. The latter is especially useful for getting rid of stubborn dust deposits that just won't budge. And then there's the all-important question, what's the best way to clean your PC? Well, according to the experts at PC Gaming Pulse, it's all about using 99% isopropyl alcohol and a soft microfiber cloth. This combo will leave your components sparkling like new. Now, I know some of you might be thinking, but I'm not a professional builder. Can I still use these tools? Absolutely. The great thing about PC building is that it's accessible to anyone with a little bit of patience and practice. And even if you're not a seasoned pro, having the right tools can make all the difference in your experience. So there you have it, folks, my top picks for PC building tools. Whether you're a seasoned veteran or just starting out, I hope these tips will help you take your builds to the next level. Thanks for tuning in to PC Gaming Pulse, and we'll catch you on the flip side.